Hey there, agriculture enthusiasts! Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of plows with 15 incredible facts that will deepen your understanding of this essential farming tool. So, let's dig in. Fact 1. Ancient origins. Did you know that plows have been used for thousands of years? The earliest evidence of plow use dates back to around 4000 BCE in Mesopotamia, where farmers used simple wooden implements pulled by oxen to till the soil. Fact 2. The invention of the steel plow. In 1837, American blacksmith John Deere revolutionized agriculture with the invention of the steel plow. Unlike earlier iron plows, Deere's steel plow was lightweight, durable, and self-cleaning, making it ideal for breaking through tough, sticky soils. Fact 3. The moldboard plow. The moldboard plow, invented by Charles Newbold in the late 18th century, featured a curved metal blade that could turn over soil more efficiently than earlier plow designs. However, Newbold's invention was met with resistance from farmers who feared it would make their land infertile. Fact 4. The chisel plow. Developed in the mid-20th century, the chisel plow revolutionized conservation tillage practices by minimizing soil disturbance and reducing erosion. Its design, featuring narrow, chisel-like blades, allowed farmers to till the soil while leaving crop residues intact. Fact 5. The plow's role in civilization. The invention of the plow played a crucial role in the rise of civilization by enabling large-scale agriculture and the cultivation of surplus crops. This surplus food production allowed societies to develop cities, trade networks, and specialized labor. Fact 6. Plowshares to swords. The phrase beating swords into plowshares originates from the Bible and symbolizes the transformation of weapons of war into tools of peace and prosperity. It reflects the idea of repurposing resources for constructive purposes. Fact 7. The walking plow. Before the mechanization of agriculture, walking plows were commonly used by farmers to till their fields manually. These plows were equipped with handles that allowed the farmer to guide the plow while walking behind a team of draft animals. Fact 8. The GPS-guided plow. In recent years, advancements in technology have revolutionized plow design with the introduction of GPS-guided plows. These high-tech implements use satellite navigation systems to precisely till fields, reducing overlap and optimizing efficiency. Fact 9. The role of horse-drawn plows. Horse-drawn plows were instrumental in agricultural production for centuries, providing farmers with the means to cultivate their land efficiently. However, the widespread adoption of tractors in the 20th century led to the decline of horse-drawn plows. Fact 10. Plows in mythology and folklore. Plows have been featured prominently in mythology and folklore around the world, symbolizing fertility, abundance, and the cycle of life. In many cultures, plows are associated with deities and rituals related to agriculture. Fact 11. The subsoil plow. Subsoil plows are designed to break up compacted soil layers below the surface, improving water infiltration and root penetration. These specialized plows are particularly useful for mitigating soil compaction and improving crop yields. Fact 12. The plow as a cultural icon. Throughout history, the plow has been revered as a symbol of hard work, perseverance, and the connection to the land. Its image has been immortalized in art, literature, and cultural traditions worldwide. Fact 13. Plowing competitions. Plowing competitions, known as plowing matches or plow-offs, have been held in various countries for centuries. These events showcase the skill and precision of plowmen as they compete to create the straightest furrows and most uniform seed beds. Fact 14. Plows in popular culture. Plows have made appearances in popular culture, from literature and film to music and advertising. They are often depicted as symbols of rural life, hard work, and the agricultural way of life. Fact 15. The future of plow technology. As agriculture continues to evolve, so too does plow technology. Innovations such as autonomous plows, robotic plow systems, and precision tillage equipment are shaping the future of farming, promising greater efficiency and sustainability. And there you have it, 15 fascinating facts about plows that highlight their significance in agriculture and human history. Whether you're a farmer, an enthusiast, or simply curious about the world around you, I hope you've enjoyed learning more about this essential farming tool. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy plowing!